What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, quick flight of this little foldable guy here. This is the CCE AIRDRONE 1. Little foldable joker. It's cold out here too. This guy was sent to me from my boy B over at TDR Drone, e-bikes and scooters. Looks like it has a camera in the nose, but it doesn't. It's just a little line of sight flyer, guys, with some nice LEDs on there. And we just gonna take it for a quick morning flight, you dig? So, let's go ahead and just get this bad boy rolling. I think we should be good to go. I calibrated it. Let's go ahead and take off. Or, we gotta start the motors first. There we go. Unlock the motors, then take off. So this is in the lowest rate. Where I had to bump up that rate. Maybe not. Yeah, this is the lowest rate. On full pitch and a low rate. Let me bump up the rate. Now we're in the high rate. High rate, we should be all right. Should be all right in the high rate. It's windy, guys. It's windy. Definitely. Check it out. The wind is blowing from behind me. As you can tell, I gotta fight into the wind. Oh yeah, it's windy. Ooh, buddy, I didn't know it was gonna be this windy. High wind test, high wind test. I didn't know it was gonna be this windy. Look at that, I'm barely even giving it any pitch. I'm blowing it back. Fight back into the wind. So yeah, the wind is blowing from behind me. Ooh, ooh. Guys, I didn't know it was this windy. Honestly, I did. Honestly, I did. It's cold too. Little dude is hanging. Little dude is hanging. Look at that. I'm not gonna give it any pitch. I'm just gonna let the wind blow it this way. Look at that. That's the wind blowing it past. I wasn't giving it any forward pitch, guys. That was the wind just doing that. Show you how strong of a gust we got going here. Look, not giving it any pitch. That's the wind blowing it. So yeah. Once again, I'm gonna turn it around, let the wind just blow it back past me. Look at that, that's all wind. That's all wind. Blowing on that little joker. This little thing is hanging, I'm surprised. I'm actually quite impressed. And land it. That last little gust almost took it. Automatic land button. Land on in the grass. Shoot. High wind test. CCE AIRDRONE 1. Your boy Drones and Dogs. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bow, bow, bow.